Okay, we are going to title this video The Importance of the Array on the AP Computer Science A exam. And the purpose of this video is to show you just how, in a measurable way, just how important the array is. And along with that, you will be able to see how you can increase your score and make sure that you pass the exam. So overall, there are 10 units on the AP exam. We are going to quickly examine 3 units: the array list, and the two-dimensional array. So we all know that we want to cover 100% of the topics. So this chart, if you can take a look over on the left, has a weighting for each of the topics here. And let's go here. You will see the basic array coming in at a maximum of 15% weighting on the exam. In the middle, the array list coming in at a maximum of 7.5%, and the two-dimensional array coming in at 10% maximum. So when we add these numbers up, okay, of course we get a large number in terms of the total maximum amount that we will see these items tested. So it looks like 32.5%. And we'll type that down here for visual. Now let's keep in mind 32.5% represents the amount you will see the array tested. There can also be some indirect appearances of each of these arrays on other types of questions, right? So we could, just being reasonable, we can fathom that we might see an additional 10% of questions that mention an array or shows an array, but the test item itself, right? The test item itself isn't testing the array. So now we're upwards to 42.5% theoretically. In terms of, testing for the different types of arrays, along with the array appearing in questions, where it may be for information or background knowledge only. That is substantial. And so we need you in semester 2. We need you going through semester 2 in a very consistent and methodical manner. If you're interested for the Module 8 DBA, you can, if you want, we can do a compare and contrast, okay? And one last thing before we go, please keep in mind that the basic array, this basic array actually contains 2 types of basic arrays. We have the one-dimensional, I like to call it the basic one-dimensional array. And then we have the one-dimensional object array. So instead of 3 arrays that we see here, we are actually looking at 4 different types of arrays. Very important that you know the differences between them. Compare and contrast analysis. Like I said, if you're interested, schedule a session. Maybe shoot me an email ahead of time. Let me know that you want to try out the compare and contrast exercise on the different arrays. and we can definitely get you some practice and maybe bury some misconceptions, solidify some knowledge. All right, so again, the purpose of this video was to show you the importance of the array on the AP exam. As you can see, almost half the tests you can possibly see the array making an appearance, um, at the least, with a large number of questions testing your direct knowledge of these arrays. So I hope this short video helps.